class. Good morning. This is teacher LM and welcome back to our science online class. So let's spell first Wednesday, okay? Because today is Wednesday. So Wednesday I spell Wednesday. Wednesday, okay? So today is Wednesday and we are going to review our lesson from last week, okay? So that you will remember. Okay, so last week class, we learned about the sense of smell and we talked also about the parts of our nose. Okay, so what are the parts of our nose? We have olfactory bulb in this part, nasal cavity, nostril, and hard palate and soft palate. So this is our lesson last week. Now, to remember more, let's practice about sense of smell. All right. So it says here, your sense of smell, you use your nose to smell things. This is your sense of smell. Look at each picture, circle the pictures that show things you can smell. Okay, so in this picture, we are going to encircle the picture which you use your nose to smell. Okay, so let's answer these pictures. Okay, so there are 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So let's answer this activity. So in the first row, we have here a toy, a flower, and a bus. Okay, so in this row, we have flower. So you can smell flower. You cannot smell the toy and the bus. Okay, so in the second row, let's try. This is like a bell, this is a bird, and this is a garbage. So which of the pictures from the second row that you're going to use your nose? Okay, so the picture that you use your nose to smell is the garbage. Okay, next one. We have here a rose flower, a grilling meat, okay, a grilled meat, and a kiwi, a slice of kiwi. Which of the picture that you need to use your smell? I mean sense of smell. All right, so we have the flower rose and the smell of the grilled meat, okay? So this worksheet class, we have flour, garbage, grilled meat, and the flower rose that we use our nose to smell. Okay, so next page. All right, it says here, draw a line from the nose to the picture that you smell. Okay, that you smell. So from your nose, we will draw a line to point which picture that you use your sense of smell. Okay, so let's try. The first one is we have a perfume. Next, we have a smelly shoes. Next, we have a garbage. And next, we have the smell of the tail. It's smelly, okay? Then next one, we have a cookie. And last, the flower, okay? So we have perfume, we have the smelly shoes, a garbage, a cookie, the smell of the cookie, and the smell of the tails of an animal, and flowers. So these are the pictures that you are going to use your sense of smell. Now let's have last activity class. So direction, check the pictures that you can smell. Okay, so you will check. Okay, let's try. First we have flour. Next, yes, the smell of the roasted chicken. Next, we have fish, the smell of the cooking fish. And the next one, we have a lotus flower. So this picture of flour here, a roasted chicken, a cooked fish, and a lotus. So you will use your sense of smell. All right, class. After that, can you guess what senses or what sense that we are going to study this afternoon? All right, do you have any clue? Okay, so I will give you a clue. Right, so this afternoon class, we are going to study about the sense of taste. Okay, so you better watch the video and get ready. And have a nice day, class. Have a good Wednesday and see you again this afternoon. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye, class, and see you this afternoon.